Hello, it's Mitten, and this is Halloween. This is Halloween, 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 Halloween. Since it is an American thing, we've got pre-made just about everything. This is Halloween. This is Halloween, 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 Halloween. Just like I explained in the opening musical number, I have straight up pumpkin in a can and a pre-cooked and pre-everything base for the pie, so no blind baking today. And I've also got this little thing that came in a packet. It has ground cinnamon, ground ginger and ground cloves in it. I've also got sugar, salt, eggs and evaporated milk. So let's make some pumpkin pie. So one of the classic Halloween things is a jack-o'-lantern. So in the background there, I have a cat-o'-lantern. So cue me making it. So next we are going to preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius. 220. So next we are going to add the eggs, glug glug, and beat those. Okay, so next we are going to add the sugar, salt and pumpkin spice mix. It smells really good. Next we are adding this delicious looking pumpkin glob. Yay! And it's going to make a big splash, probably. Okay, so now we are going to slowly add the evaporated milk. Okay, so now that's about it. So we've got to pour it in here now, but there's a lot, so fingers crossed. Mum, could you please maybe put this in the oven for me? Because, yeah, I'm definitely going to spill that. So thanks, Mum. That's going to stay in the oven for 15 minutes. Okay, so now we're going to reduce the heat to 180 degrees Celsius and cook it for 45 minutes. Okay, so it does look a little bit crispy around the edges, but I am just going to test it with a bamboo skewer in the middle just in case. See, there's nothing on it, so fully cooked. And now we get it needs to sit for 2 hours. I just want to eat it. Just. Oh. Okay, that's 2 teaspoons. Okay, so it's been 2 hours. The pie has been cooling over there on the wire rack, and it's been really hot, so I had a bit of a cozy change. I also made some cream, so I'm just going to bring the pie over and pipe some cream on it. Ta-da! Okay, can I eat it now? I really want to eat it. It smells really good. Oh. Okay, now I'm going to try to figure out how to get this out. So, I guess... Oh, wow. Oh, that's not So now I'm going to attempt to get this out, so fingers crossed. Oop. Oop, oop, oop. I'm going to try to get it open. Oh. Oh, God. That kind of no. Beautiful, easy peasy. Okay, so here's the finished pumpkin pie. Just a little mini episode though. They don't look perfect, but it's fine. They'll taste good. And my friend has actually come over, which is perfect timing, so we can go eat those now. So hope you enjoyed. Bye! Happy Halloween!